I have to say, I think that this might be one of my very best travel finds videos yet. Now, the items in today's video are viral, best-selling items that are highly rated for good reason. I tested them out. You're going to want to bring them on a cruise when you're traveling, or maybe in some cases, even use at home. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, in this video, I have some new items that are really cool because they're sort of new versions of existing travel finds that we've already found really useful, but they're actually improved. Now, I have to tell you, I actually got a couple of items delivered to my hotel before my last cruise just because I really wanted to make sure that I could try them out on the cruise ship. And I'm also going to share with you like a couple of fashion finds or personal items as well that I love so much that I just can't keep them to myself. Now, before I get started, I wanted to mention two things. First of all of the items that I'm mentioning in today's video, I'm going to have them linked down below in the description of the video as well as a pinned comment. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Number one, mini towel clips. Now, if you've had the towel clips like the flamingos and the parrots, and if you've liked them, but you find that they're big and bulky, so you stopped using them, and then you started to use the towel bands, but you don't love those, this might be what you really like. Now, I had seen that this is purchased like thousands of times per month, has excellent reviews, but in the past I have not liked the small ones. So I did try these out. And by the way, this is, I think it's a pack of 8 and it fits in this tiny little pouch that I've had for a couple of years. So it really doesn't take up a lot of room. But let me just show you how small these are, but also how solid they are, which I really like. Now, the good thing about these towel clips, of course, is you're going to use them on your cruise. You're going to be able to use them right on the pool deck. But I think that something that's a little bit overlooked is, especially if you have a balcony cabin, sometimes the reality is we do end up putting out like our bathing suit or even something just to dry outside. And of course, we're not really supposed to leave our clothing out there like while we're at sea or anything like that. But when you do leave your clothing out, you do want to, clip it on, even if you hand wash an item or something like that. So this actually clips really easy to the chair on your balcony as well. And these are honestly so lightweight that I don't think that I'll ever pack my bigger bulky towel clips again. Now, speaking of small and lightweight travel essentials, this is the hybrid 30-watt 5-in-1 mini travel adapter. Now, I love Epica products, so I'm thrilled that they're partnering with me to share this with you. Now, a few months ago, I tried the Epica 8-in-1 hybrid travel adapter, and it has actually gone with me on every cruise and trip since. But now Epica has come out with a more compact and lightweight version. I will share both so that you can decide what is best for you. Plus, it's easy to pack due to its foldable prongs and pocket size build. Its small size is similar to AirPods and it weighs just 2.5 ounces. And compared to similar products on the market, it reduces volume up to 40%. And something that I found really important is with its 30-watt high-speed charging, it is faster than most standard adapters. Now, by the way, detachable E, F, and G outlets are coming soon, giving you even more flexibility when traveling. This includes the Type G plug, the one used in the UK, Ireland, and destinations like Singapore and Dubai. Now, this makes it a huge space saver when it comes to packing tech or electronic items, especially if you're traveling solo or as a couple who doesn't have multiple devices. The Epica 8-in-1 hybrid travel adapter. Now, if you're traveling as a family or prefer multiple outlets and charging ports, the 8-in-1 hybrid travel adapter will be your best choice. Now, similar to the 5-in-1, it combines a travel adapter, a USB charging hub, and a multi-outlet extender in one small cube. Compared to similar travel adapters, this one charges faster and gives you an extra USB-C port, great if you're powering multiple devices at once. Now, it is a 3-prong outlet, so I can use things like laptop chargers or a camera battery, or even small appliances at home. It has 3 dual-prong outlets, which is more than other adapters, which is perfect for my hot tools like my curling iron or hair straightener. It has 2 USB-C ports plus 2 USB-A ports. It works in both standard US outlets as well as standard European round plugs, which brings me to a very useful cruise hack. Now, most cruise cabins only have 1 or 2 electric outlets. Now, they're going to have a North American one as well as a European one. Now, most people won't even know what to do with the European one, but I will tell you what I do. I take my travel adapter and I actually plug my travel adapter into that European outlet, and therefore I am able to make my own like extra charging station right there. Now, just a note, it is non-surge protected, which is required by most cruise lines, and you could use it when you're traveling internationally and domestically. However, something to be aware of is that if you're cruising with Royal Caribbean or Celebrity, they both have stricter guidelines and only USB charging hubs are allowed. Now, I'm going to leave the links to both of these items down below in the description of this video, along with my exclusive code for a limited time discount at checkout. And you can get the best European travel adapter for under $20 tailored to your needs. All right, next up, we have one of the most viral travel pillows. People are absolutely loving this. It's getting rave reviews. Thousands are sold every month, and it really is very comfortable on the inside. This is why, by the way, that I chose this brand. Very soft and comfortable on the inside, the part that touches your neck. It does have Velcro, so it's adjustable. It's not one size fits all, so that's also something good. And what I like about it is the sides kind of come up like this, and it gives you a lot of support on the side. So if you're a little bit of a side sleeper and you're taking like a long overnight flight, I think that you would like this. Now, let me show you. So you do put that around. Forgive me, my hair is not going to look good. But in any case, it just gives you a lot of nice support here. Now, something I noticed is on my left side, I feel like I would go a little bit tighter. So you could just adjust that. Now, something that it does come with is a sleep mask. So it's a very simple sleep mask, but it is handy, and some earplugs. So, you know, especially if you have an overnight flight, very handy. And it comes with this bag where it all packs in, so you can kind of just hang this on your carry-on as well. All right, next up, we have a sleep mask. And by the way, I should mention, I don't know if you're anything like me, but I'm already thinking about the holidays, so I'm sort of started to kind of collect certain items that are going to be gifts for the holidays, and this is one of them. This is going to be for my older son. This is a really comfortable sleep mask. He likes the sleep mask, but I think this one is just even more comfortable. The padding is really good, and I did get something for his girlfriend. Now, this is by the brand Kitsch. Let me show you. And it's got these sort of little beads in here, I guess it would be. So it's really kind of flexible, very comfortable. And there's a smell. The smell is lavender, so it's really relaxing. So if you're somebody, and I think especially for flights, but even when you're traveling or even at home, this is satin, by the way, so really comfortable, but it's very soothing on the eyes. And I think the smell of the lavender is also really calming. I'm going to leave the links to both of these sleep masks down below, but if you are looking for even a little gift for somebody or for yourself, I love this satin lavender sleep mask. Now, speaking of the brand Kitsch, Kitsch has these really good bar shampoos and bar conditioners. So something that I bought is, this is a sampler set, and I wanted to try a couple of different ones, but I also thought these could be great for traveling. So look at the size of this soap bar. And of course, you could otherwise just take the regular size and just take a knife and just cut off a piece. But if you did want to try maybe the rice one, that is one of my favorites. I actually think it makes your hair sort of silkier than a lot of the other ones. I do find that I'm experiencing much less shedding since I started to use the Kitsch brand. I also use the biotin one. But this is another one that I'm going to try. It's like a coconut oil. So I really do like that. And I'll have to let you know what I think. Please let me know if you've used any of the Kitsch shampoos or conditioners or soaps. What are your favorites? Please do share down in the comments below. All right, I finally got it. There's one item that viewers, you guys have been telling me about, and that is the Matador soap case or soap pouch. So this is fabulous when you're traveling, cruising. I mean, you can use it at home as well, but I think especially if you're traveling, basically it is a little pouch. It's small, but you can put your bar soaps in there, even if they're kind of slimy, even if they're wet. And the pouch will actually take all of that away. So it's a way to store and to bring your soaps and to not have any of that. Well, you know exactly what I mean. But before, I was sort of storing mine in like a paper towel and then putting it into a plastic bag. And I do really think that this actually works much better. All right, now I have another tech item, and then I also have a hair product, or I guess it's a hair tool. I got that recently. I will share it with you because I think it really is very good, better than I thought. But first, I did want to share with you like a couple of viral or best-selling sort of fashion finds, if you will. Now, this is, I guess we'll call it a look for less. It's a watch, and you can see that it is Cartier inspired, and it is the mini version. It is, you know, the two colors, so the white gold and yellow gold, or the silver and gold look. Very, very pretty. Very, very discreet. But really, if you are looking for something pretty for every day or to travel, you know, it doesn't cost a lot of money, but it really is quite pretty. And I do really like also that if you wear white gold or yellow gold, if you are stacking any bracelets, that's going to go as well. Now, speaking of fashion, one of the items that I actually had delivered to my hotel room before my last cruise was this dress. And I wore this dress at embarkation. I was looking for sort of a short dress that I could wear if it was quite hot out. And I love this dress. It has pockets. It's super comfortable. It's lightweight. It really is very, very affordable. So it was kind of just a quick buy. I saw it right before I went. I am so happy I got it. Absolutely love it. Now, I also got the new kitten heels. Now, if you've noticed, that is really something that's very in style this season, is a kitten heel, which I think is quite cute. So I got these sandal heels, and I got them for the trip, but you know, also to wear for future trips. I really do like them. I will say that I have a pair of shoes, and I bought them, gosh, probably about 3 years ago, and I bought them at a department store that is now gone. I can't find them anymore. But they're in a similar color. They are actually more comfortable than these, but these are not bad. It's just because you do have the little thong at the toe. So, you know, that is the only thing. Otherwise, they are actually quite comfortable and they are quite cute. The phone charger keychain. This is small. This actually is a keychain. So it'll actually be able to go with your keys. You can have this charger with you everywhere. So it's not necessarily for just traveling. It really is for every day. And it gets absolutely great reviews. The Babyless Pro hair wand. Now, my hair wand that I was using before was also by Babyless. However, I decided to get a new one. I got this one because it was so highly recommended. I absolutely love this one, and I don't usually share very much beauty stuff, but this really is so good. And one of the things that I like about it, I actually bring this when I'm traveling, and one of the reasons is because I do find that with the humidity, if I blow dry my hair, you know, straight or even with volume, it will get very frizzy. So I do need some amount of heat, whether it's a straightener or a, you know, curling iron. And I just find the wand much easier to work with. And I find this one, it is a ceramic style. It really is, it seems like it's gentler on my hair than anything else I've ever used. Now, I am going to leave the links to Epica's hybrid travel adapters along with my exclusive code and a discount that will apply at checkout, as well as all of the other items that I mentioned in the video. Now, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. Really do appreciate it. And please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Bye for now and happy cruising.